Good day GIS lovers. Welcome to the world of ArcGIS Pro. In this lecture, we are going to learn how to getting started with ArcGIS Pro, how to open ArcGIS Pro interface, and how to create a project inside ArcGIS Pro. Opening ArcGIS Pro and creating project is a fully reverse system than ArcMap. If you are already ArcMap user, then definitely you know to open ArcMap, we just need to open the ArcMap interface from all program, and after doing some work, we can create the project of ArcMap as a .mxt file. But in ArcGIS Pro, the case is fully reversed. In ArcGIS Pro, first of all, we need to create a project, then we can open ArcGIS Pro interface by using that created project. Let's see. To open ArcMap, we just need to open ArcMap. Here is our ArcMap interface. And to create a project in ArcMap, after doing some work, we can save this project as .mxt file. Now we can close it. So in ArcMap, first of all, we need to open the ArcMap interface, then we can create a project as .mxt file. Here is our project file. But in ArcGIS Pro, we need to follow the reverse step than ArcMap, which means, first of all, we need to create a project, then we can open ArcGIS Pro interface by using that project. Let's see this practically. Here I am going to open my ArcGIS Pro. Here is our ArcGIS Pro, which is asking to create a project first. Without creating project, you can't open ArcGIS Pro interface. Say, here I am going to create a ArcGIS Pro project to open our ArcGIS Pro interface. You need to select a suitable folder to save your project by click here, Browse. I am going to save our ArcGIS Pro project in this folder, Lecture 5. Now click OK. Now give a name. Now click OK. It is opening new map by using our that created project. Here is our ArcGIS Pro interface, which has been opened by using our new project, which name is ArcGIS Pro. Now let's see the file extension of our ArcGIS Pro. See the difference? In ArcGIS Pro, we have a folder after created a project, and the file extension is .aprx. But in ArcMap, the project file extension is .mxt. So .mxt file is for ArcMap and .aprx is for ArcGIS Pro. So in this way, we can open ArcGIS Pro interface. Now let's see at the opening time how many types of project we can create in ArcGIS Pro to open our ArcGIS Pro interface. Let's close this. And open our ArcGIS Pro interface again. There are three types of project in ArcGIS Pro: Map, Global Scene, which is similar with ArcGlobe, Local Scene, which is similar with ArcScene. Now let's see one by one. Now I am going to create a map project. To create a project, as we already know, we need to select a suitable folder to save our file, and we need to give a name. Here I am going to give the name is map, and if we check create a new folder for this project, it will create a separate folder only for this project. Let's see. Now click OK. See, in ArcGIS Pro, we will get a by default base map in our map frame, but in ArcMap, we need to add a base map after open our interface. This is a smart way of GIS to doing a project. Map project is for 2D related work, as like ArcMap. If you want to do 2D map related analysis, you can use map project. Now let's see the folder of this project. Here we have another folder map for our this project which name is map. In this project, after creating separated folder for this map, we will have these folders inside the project folder, which is import log, index, map.gdb, and project file map.aprx and map.tbx. Now let's see another types of project, global scene. Let's open ArcGIS Pro again. Here is global scene. Now click OK. Check create a new folder for this project. Click again OK. Here is our global scene, which is same as like ArcGlobe, but the positive side of ArcGIS Pro is it will provide you Basemap by default after opening the interface, which has many dynamic tools for your work to do your smart GIS work. Let's see one more thing. If you want to do any 3D related work in Globe, you can use this global scene. The interface of global scene and map and local scene will be described in our further lecture briefly. Now let's open local scene. Click local scene to create local scene project. As the following same way, let's create a new project. You can give another name also. Now click OK. Here is our local scene interface. If you want to do any 3D related work as like arc scene, you can do this in here also. And in local scene, you will get a base map by default. And the main potentiality of ArcGIS Pro is you can add shapefile in all of these types of project. Definitely you can add shapefile in map. You can also add shapefile in global scene and also in local scene. And more potentiality is you can do many more analysis in these two 3D types of project rather than ArcScene and ArcGlobe. So is not it very smart interface? Now let's open a catalog project. Click catalog. Here is our catalog project, same as like Arc catalog. You can create shapefile, you can create new database, you can do many more work rather than Arc catalog in this project. And this interface will provide you many dynamic tools and functions. Now let's see another new one, project without template. Click start without a template. You can save it later. So this is the one way to open your ArcGIS Pro interface without creating a project. But the basic way of ArcGIS Pro is to create a project first, then open ArcGIS Pro interface. That is why I am showing you this template without project at the last portion of this lecture. We need to know the basic first, and these four are basic. So these are the way to open your ArcGIS Pro interface and creating a project. And before finish this lecture, let's see one more thing. When you are going to close a catalog project, it does not ask you to save the project, same as like Arc catalog. But when you are going to close another project like map, global scene and local scene, it will ask you to save. Let's see in map. It is also asking for save. In global scene, we also need to save this before close this project. Now let's see what happened in without template. If we close this, it will also ask you to save with creating a new project. And in here, we need to give the name of this project. Now click save. So these are the project of ArcGIS Pro, and this is the difference between ArcMap and ArcGIS Pro to open the interface and create a new project. Now let's play with this in your computer in your ArcGIS Pro software. Till then, enjoy.